The 2025 Air India Air Force marks a new era of aviation excellence, innovation, and defense capability for the nation. In recent years, the Indian Air Force has undergone transformative changes that have not only enhanced its operational readiness but also brought cutting-edge technology and global partnerships to the forefront. As we move deeper into 2025, the pride of Indian skies is now being led by a fleet that represents both tradition and future ambition. The modernization of the Air Force includes advanced fighter jets, unmanned aerial systems, next-gen radar systems, and strategic airlift capabilities that ensure India stands tall among the most powerful air forces in the world. One of the most talked about aspects of 2025 is the inclusion of indigenous fighter jets like the Tejas Mk2 and the highly anticipated AMCA, Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. Built with stealth features and advanced avionics, these aircraft not only reduce dependence on foreign imports but also boost India's Make in India initiative. The Tejas Mk2, with its superior radar, engine, and maneuverability, has already gained attention from global defense analysts. Meanwhile, the AMCA project has reached critical development stages, and prototypes have begun flight testing. These jets are equipped to handle multi-role operations ranging from deep strike to air superiority missions. In addition to indigenous advancements, strategic collaborations have also played a major role in transforming the 2025 Air India Air Force. The Rafale fighter jets, which were introduced a few years ago, have now been fully integrated into Indian squadrons and have proved their worth in joint exercises and real-time surveillance missions. Their combat readiness, long-range precision strike capabilities, and advanced weapon systems give the Indian Air Force a serious edge in regional dynamics. Exercises with allies such as the United States, France, Australia, and Japan have not only boosted India's tactical prowess but also strengthened diplomatic ties, ensuring regional peace and stability. Another significant leap is in the area of drones and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs). 2025 has seen a boom in indigenous drone technology being developed by DRDO and private startups. High-end drones like the Rustam 2 and tactical UAVs are now actively deployed for surveillance along the borders. These machines operate in high-risk areas without risking human lives and provide real-time data to command centers, significantly increasing the speed and accuracy of response during critical situations. The integration of artificial intelligence in these UAVs means they can now identify threats, navigate complex terrains, and even coordinate with manned aircraft in real time. Strategic airlift has also been a game-changer for the Air India Air Force. Aircraft like the C-17 Globemaster III, C-130J Super Hercules, and the newly inducted Airbus C295 have improved the mobility of troops and heavy equipment across terrains. This capability is especially important in disaster relief missions, border deployments, and peacekeeping operations. Whether it's flood rescue in the Northeast or urgent airlifts in Ladakh, these aircraft have proven their worth time and again. In 2025, the focus is not only on warfare but also on being ready for humanitarian needs at a moment's notice. Beyond hardware, the training and human resource development of the Air Force have reached world-class levels. Pilot training simulators now use virtual reality, AI, and machine learning to replicate real battlefield scenarios. New recruits undergo intense multi-dimensional training modules that include cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and space-based defense systems. Women pilots have taken center stage too, flying fighter jets and participating in live combat exercises. Gender inclusion in defense is no longer a slogan but a reality in the 2025 Air India Air Force. Cybersecurity and space defense are also major priorities. With the rise of hybrid warfare, the Air Force has set up dedicated cyber command units that safeguard critical systems from potential hacks or digital espionage. Space-based assets, including satellites for surveillance and communication, are managed in coordination with ISRO, ensuring 24/7 situational awareness. India's entry into the elite club of nations with anti-satellite capabilities also adds a new layer of deterrence. The airbases have been upgraded with smart technology. Runways are equipped with automatic weather detection, drone monitoring systems, and AI-based traffic management. Hangars now have robotic arms and automated maintenance units that conduct regular checks on aircraft to minimize downtime. Fuel stations and ammunition loading systems are now digitalized, making every sortie faster and more efficient. The integration of 5G technology across major bases ensures seamless communication, data transfer, and real-time decision-making. Environmental sustainability is also a key part of the 2025 vision. The Air India Air Force has introduced biofuel-blended aircraft, green energy sources for base operations, and strict emissions control protocols. Solar panels line the rooftops of major airbases, and waste recycling units process tons of materials daily. This shows that defense and environment can go hand in hand in the modern world. Public outreach programs and air shows have brought the common man closer to the Air Force. Events like Aero India 2025 witnessed record-breaking attendance with breathtaking displays by the Surya Kiran and Sarang teams. School children, college students, and defense enthusiasts got a chance to interact with pilots, engineers, and veterans. These efforts not only build morale but also inspire the next generation to dream of flying high. In conclusion, the 2025 Air India Air Force stands as a symbol of power, innovation, and national pride. Its transformation is not just about machines but about the spirit of dedication, discipline, and patriotism that defines its personnel. As India grows as a global power, the Air Force will remain its strongest shield in the skies and a beacon of hope on the ground. Whether it's defending our borders, helping during natural disasters, or participating in peace missions abroad, the Indian Air Force continues to shine with excellence. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, comment below what you think about the 2025 Air India Air Force, and share it with your friends so they also get inspired by the wings of our nation. Your support keeps us flying higher every day.